Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I will be doing this makeup look. Freya just came in to say hello. I will show you her in a second when she comes up. So yeah, this is the look I'm going to show you how to achieve today. It is super glam, super dramatic, super out there. And I have rollers in the whole time. This is how my hair looks afterwards. I'm really happy with it. I'm really falling in love with doing my hair with rollers. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video on how I put them in and what I do for them. I'm just loving this. It's so 90s, it's not funny. So anyway, this is the look we're going to do today. If you want to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. Say hello, Freya. This is my little kitty. She's about, I think she's about 4 months old. She was a rescue kitten. And she's very cute. And her name is Freya. I'll have some photos of her on Instagram.
So to begin this makeup, as usual, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Jumbo Concealer. It is my absolute favourite. And I'm dipping into this MAC palette. I believe it's an art library palette, and I think it's called Flamboyant. I will have it listed down below and all the shades that I've used. And I'm just taking that yellowy brown with a really fluffy brush and popping that in the crease, and then going into this Morphe palette. Again, I'll have the name listed down below, just to intensify that orange. I was kind of going for more of an orange, I guess you could say terracotta vibe. Ended up being a little bit more red than I intended, but I still am really happy with everything. So what I'm doing is I'm just really building up that crease, and eventually we will start going in with more reds and burgundies to really darken out that crease and create that cut crease. And I'm going in and pushing in the product into the crease and then blending, then going back. I go over these colors many times. Eyeshadow blending is a process. It is never just a 5-second look, I promise you that. But basically all I'm doing is just going in and building up that color and then blending it out so it's a really nice gradient towards the eyebrow, and eventually darkening out that crease. Now we've finally built up all the color, we're going to dip into a bit of black, and we really want to just focus this on the outer V. And I am bringing that across the lid, maybe like the outer fourth of the lid, because we will be doing liner, and eventually bringing that all the way in where we've built up the crease, all the way to the inner corner, so that we can create that cut crease. So I'm taking a bit of makeup remover and just removing any shadow that's on the lid, and then I'm going in with a detailing brush removal technique, still one of my favorite brushes to use, and back in with that Too Faced, no sorry, I think I used Anastasia for this one. And then I tap it off with another brush just to get all of the excess off. And then I'm going in with a flat brush to pack on this NARS shadow. Absolutely my favorite shimmer to use on the lid. It's from the Climax palette. And then to really help make that cut crease super duper vibrant, I'm going in with that black with a angled brush just to really push that in. And then I'm going in with an eyeliner pen and creating a really dramatic wing and some mascara and some lashes. To keep the eye open, I'm taking this nude eyelining pencil from Essence and just popping that on the waterline. And then I'm taking this It's kind of like a gold duo-toned vanilla-y kind of shadow from the MAC palette, and that is our underbrow highlight. Taking some mascara on the lower lashes. I didn't want to go too dark on the lower lashes, sorry, on the lower waterline, so I just used the mascara to put that definition back in. Cleaned up any fallout that I had, and I'm just popping a bit of concealer underneath my eyes to keep it nice and bright underneath there, especially with such a dark, heavy look. Wanted to make sure it was nice and clean. And then going in with the NARS cream bronzer. This is from the Summer Solstice collection. This is in the shade Casino. It is my absolute favorite. I believe this one was limited edition, but I do believe that their regular cream bronzer is the same texture and consistency. Going in with a bit of highlight, and then just using my foundation brush to tap that out, just to have really nice even skin. And then going in with this NARS palette, taking the highlighter out of that just to set the cream highlighter that we used. When I'm using cream products, even though I do love to use cream products with nothing else over the top, when I'm going for such a full-on glam, I do like to set them with powders on top. And then I'm going into this NARS palette. I believe it came out Christmas last year, 2021, just for a bit of blush, and then going in highlighting my inner corner just to make sure the eyes stay nice and wide and open looking. And then I've gone and lined my lips, and I'm using this MAC lipstick from the Tempting Fate collection. Absolutely gorgeous. And that's the look completed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.